In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your 1099K tax form from Etsy. If you're a US-based Etsy seller, obtaining your 1099K form is an important task for tax season. This form helps ensure you're reporting your earnings accurately according to the criteria set by the IRS. First, let's talk about when Etsy issues a 1099K. Etsy will send you this form if in a calendar year you meet a couple of important requirements. The primary condition is that your gross sales amount to $600 or more. This is a crucial update as it aligns with the IRS rules that changed in 2024. So, even if you haven't sold much, you might still be eligible to receive this form. Additionally, you need to have provided a U.S. taxpayer identification number, also known as a tie-in. Without this, Etsy won't be able to process your form. Now, let's get into how you can find your 1099K on Etsy. The process is quite straightforward. Begin by logging into your Etsy account. Once you're in, navigate over to your shop manager. From there, head to the Finances section. Under this category, you'll find Legal and Tax Information. This is where all the legal documentation for your sales is stored. Now, look for the option labeled 1099K Tax Form. Etsy makes this form available by the end of January for the previous year's taxable income, so be sure to check after the start of the new year. Once you've located the form, you'll have the option to click and download it as a PDF. This downloadable version is especially handy as you can save it locally on your computer and print it out if you like to keep physical records. Not only does this ensure that you have a personal copy, but it can also be easily shared with your accountant or tax preparer if you use one. Lastly, let's discuss the availability. Etsy generates its 1099K forms by January 31st of each year. This timing is crucial because it gives you ample time to incorporate the form into your tax preparations ahead of the April filing deadline. Being prompt with this can save you a lot of stress and ensure that you're prepared well before the due date. So, there you have it. Getting your 1099K form from Etsy is a simple process if you meet the necessary criteria, and knowing how to access and use this important tax documentation is key to managing your Etsy business finances effectively. Make sure you follow these steps closely to retrieve your form in a timely manner. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online sales.